Now, this case study is for a large single-family office. Now, in this instance, this family is represented by an intermediary or an advisor. Now, this advisor is trying proactively to engage with the next generations of wealth, G2, G3, and G4. And in this instance, those generations are trying to have a conversation around their values and have that conversation be reflected in their portfolio. Now, this family, when we engaged them, were actually quite far along with another SMA provider. But through what we are able to offer, we believe we could actually offer them something more engaging around that value set. So we were actually brought into the conversation to help them define exactly what their value set was and show them what a cleaner portfolio would actually look like, then use the technology to give them the impact reporting. Now, that's exactly what we did. We were able to use a minimal amount of information without actually speaking to the family in advance about the general pillars of sustainability they prioritized. From that, we were actually able to create a framework that was quite detailed that took that information, that limited amount of information, and actually built upon it to create something that was unified for them. It was their mission statement, and it was actually deeply engaging to sit with that family and talk about what those pillars were and why they mattered. Now, ultimately, the ability of Ethic to use that framework to give them transparency into what is in their portfolio right now, what does and does not fit with their values, what a cleaner portfolio would look like, and then finally, to be able to demonstrate how much impact their portfolio could have if transitioned effectively to a cleaner portfolio, was ultimately a very engaging way to demonstrate how powerful this conversation around values can be.